Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this very big down channel that is formed on a weekly time frame chart, and we will also take a look at my recent trade signal for GTC that I shared with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared on 6th of August 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that GTC formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And after clicking this play button, you can see that the price then moved up and read the sell target zone here. First, it read the sell target zone here, moved down, and then again reached here. And this was almost 23% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this idea on 19th of Feb 2023. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started another very nice reversal and read the sell target line here. And this was almost 14% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that the price was completing on a daily time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped down and completed the leg here. Then we had a very, very nice pump. And again, price line dropped down. Then we had a bigger pump, and that was almost 60% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of GTC, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see previously it was moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern, and since after November 2021, and finally we broke it out here, but could not continue its move to the upside due to this next downtrend line resistance, a quite long-term downtrend line resistance of another down channel. And you can see that the price end is moving very well between the resistance and support of this channel. Recently, we again got rejected by the resistance of the channel and dropped down at this long-term support that we have here at 85 cents. And you can see for the past several weeks or months, this level is breaking as a nice support. Here we had a very long spike, but the price could not break it down. If you take a look at the closing price of this candlestick, then you can, by the way, avoid the closing price here. That was 89 cents. The price and recovered back very soon. And now we are moving very close to this support of the down channel. Once the price end will be able to break out the resistance of this channel, then the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel, where we have a quite long-term resistance as well. That is at $3.50. And the final target for this bigger breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.